वैराग्य साम्राज्यद पूजनाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां।
Right now, this virus, different people are calling it by different names, so I stick to the virus. Definitely creating a strong death background to all of us. So yesterday, we unfolded a process more within myself. This is silly for me, I'm 63 years of age, now once again I'm getting pregnant. Because this is going to be a hard baby to deliver. And the full process will take 4,356 days. That is nearly 12 years. Full solar cycle. That means the real baby, the full-blown baby, will get delivered on 21st of June, 2032. But I will get it off me probably after a few months, and Kalabhairava can be handled as a marsupial life, that you get it out of the womb in a few months and then nurture it for the next full cycle, solar cycle, which is 4,356 days. So, he will come out fully on 21st of June, 2032, that is the summer solstice day. Tomorrow, we are laying the foundation for the Kalabhairava temple, tomorrow being Amavasya or the new moon day, we are laying the foundation. Well, time is a dimension which allows us to live here. Time rules our life and death. Essentially, it's time. What you call as life is time, what you call as death is time. So Kalabhairava involves both. Well, death usually brings terror into people's minds. That is because your mind is a collage of life. A collage means bits and pieces gathered, not a complete perception of the nature of life. If you have a perception of life, it is inevitable. You would see life and death dancing together all the time. But because you are an assembled collage, with whatever nonsense came your way in terms of social influences, education, and all the other silly things you do, which you think is fun. I'm not against those silly things, but if you are adding a lot of tidbits to your life to make it rich, I am 100% with you. But if you're getting tangled in all tidbits, you are not worth being a human being, the peak of evolution on this planet. No, you don't represent the peak of evolution on this planet, that's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Well, what is palatable and what is not palatable for people is, why is this Guru so terrible? Lot of people are asking these questions, why is Sadhguru so terrible? Always poking us, always doing this. Well, when we are living, why is he talking about death? Two cockroaches met. in the drain pipes of McMinnville. And they were nibbling on some filth. And one of them asked the other, "Have you been to the new coffee store that's opened up? Coffee shop that's opened up in the town? The floors are polished so smooth, you can see your own antenna. And the walls are so neatly painted and smooth, not a crack. We cannot even climb upon it. And the place even smells of flowers." The other one said, "Stop it, can't you see I'm eating?" So what is palatable for you and what is not depends who you are and what you've made out of yourself. If you are a life, a genuine life, a living life, not a bunch of stupid thoughts, emotions and drama that you have created for yourself, then you will admire Kalabhairava because he dances with life and death in equal proportion. But if you look at him from one side, you will be terrorized. But how to create terror without being terrorist is the challenge right now for me. Because a fear is not a positive, fear or terror is not a positive emotion. But forever people have been God-fearing, parent-fearing, teacher-fearing, law-fearing, everything. It looks like whole human civilization has been built upon fear, as if fear is the greatest virtue they have known. In a way, it's true. All those who dodge fundamental aspects of life, all those who see life in bits and pieces, they are condemned to live in fear. They may cover it. They may cover it by not talking about it, by avoiding it, but it will come to them. This is why Kalabhairava. Kala means time, Bhairava means a terrifying force. Bhairav means either one who is terrifying or one who has conquered terror and fear within oneself. It's a dimension which is a must. If we create a powerful space, if you create a kshetra or a tirtha, which we have at the yoga center right now, and working on it here still at III, it's a powerful kshetra. That means a space for transformation. Once there is a space like that, you need a Kshethrabaala, that means one who protects the kshetra. Always, wherever there is any powerful space, always they put up Kalabhairava as a Kshethrabaala, because it is a certain system of balancing. It is a way of balancing life and death on one level. It is a way of balancing the positive and the negative. When I say negative, don't think it is harmful. Well, every physical manifestation needs to have positive and negative. While the electricity functions positive, negative, you know, whether it's in the atomic space or wherever, all physical dimensions are between positive, negative, masculine, feminine, male, female. Oh, I'm getting into minefield. Now, who is positive, who is negative? Are you saying women are negative? No, 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 no. Negative is not a bad word. It is just that socially you have built such a context around it. Otherwise, positive, negative are two unavoidable elements of making a physical life. The question is only, in socially, maybe certain things will find approval, certain things will not. Well, everybody lives as if they are not going to die. So everybody will die. Everybody. I mean everybody, okay? Not just those who are virus infected, everybody shall die. We will bless you with a long life, but you shall die. That's the way life is made.